In today's video, we are creating kids musical video using free AI tools. So we're gonna start by going to ChatGPT and then we put our prompt here. So this is the music lyrics that the ChatGPT has given us. So we're gonna need to just copy the whole thing here, and then we're gonna go to the Suno Music AI. So we are here on Suno Music AI. If you don't have an account, you just need to get an account. So we're gonna just put the prompt here, the option box, or you need to make sure that you put it on custom, and then we're gonna come here and then you need to choose the style of the music. If you don't know the style of the music, you can even go back to ChatGPT and then ask what is the style of the music. So ChatGPT will be giving you a different types of the style of the music that you can choose from. Then you can just let's just do like this. We copy the first one, or we can just copy the whole thing. So I'm gonna just copy one, and then I'll put it here on the style box. So we're gonna just come here, and then you going to write the title of the music. Let's just say the song is Choose Me, as it says, it's Choose Me, and then we're gonna come here to create. So Suno Music AI will give you at least two options to choose from. So we're gonna just listen to the first one. Let's just hear it. Let's just wait a bit. Okay, there it is.
I'm in the forest, I'm by the sea, looking for a friend who's just like me. Big brown eyes or a fluffy tail, a friend so sweet will never fail. Oh, pick me, says the bunny so shy. Over here, chirps a bird in the sky. Look at me, the puppy wags its tail.
Oh, that's beautiful. Let's just check the second one. This one is definitely a no. Okay, and then the next thing that you need to do after you decide which one you will go with, you can just come here to the three dots, and then you download the music, and then we're gonna use the MP3, simple as that. Okay, so the next thing, we just need to go back to ChatGPT, because we need the prompt for the music animation. So we're gonna ask ChatGPT to create a prompt so that we can have our we can put our music video on with alive with the beautiful images. So we're gonna just come here, and then we gonna need to create the first we need to just come here to copy the first prompt, and then we're gonna go to Meta AI. All right, so we are here on Meta. Then we can just put the first prompt. Let's just delete this one. Okay, and then we just click on that arrow. So we're gonna wait a little bit. It will come out now. Okay, so this is how Meta has given us, and then we're gonna come here because we want our animals to have that motion. So we're gonna come here to animate, and then while it is busy processing, we can just go back to ChatGPT to get the second prompt. Copy, and then we go back to Meta AI. Okay, while it's still okay, it's done. Okay, this is the results of the animation. This is how the motion is. It's so cute. Look at that bunny, it's so cute. All right, so this is what we actually needed. Then let's just see the second prompt. So then let's just see the motion for the dog. Look how cute this one is. This is so great, man. So all of this, remember, is for free. Then you can just come here to download. So we're gonna download all of them. you can just do that. And then also with this one you can just download them. And then the next place to go is to go to Canva. So we are in Canva right now, so we're gonna go to YouTube video. Okay, so we are on YouTube video. Then we can just go to uploads and upload all the images that downloaded into our. So the next move is to go to videos, and then when you're in YouTube, the next step is to go to the upload. So we need to upload all the pictures and the music we were creating on the other website. So we're gonna come to uploads files, and we're gonna look for the song that we chose. Is this one. So we're gonna just open and then go back to uploads, and we're gonna look for this. Click on those two, and then we go to Canva. So this is the music. We can just put the music here. Let's just go like here to audio. So this is the name of the song. We're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna add. Let me just go back. I don't understand why I'm having to. Okay, so I'm gonna just choose this one, and then we're gonna put it here, and then open another page. Okay, so we're gonna go to the videos, and then we'll take this one. We're gonna add it on as a background, and then we add another one as a background as well. Okay, so we're gonna come here to take all of the images, all the videos, and put them accordingly. So let's just add another page. I'm gonna put this one here. Okay, and then we put the cat. We can just add the cat here. Add another page. So you're gonna do this process until you are done with all the videos that you got, so that we can get the full music video. So let's just, and then you can just add the transition here. Let's just do like this. Add transition. So we're gonna use a match and move. I normally use this one, and then you can come to apply between all pages. So we can just go and listen to, let's just listen to the whole okay, and then I think this is how the easy way into creating the kids musical video. I think we came to the end of our tutorials for today. Up until next time, bye bye.
I'm in the forest, I'm by the sea, looking for a friend who's just like me. Big brown eyes or a fluffy tail, a friend so sweet will never fail. Oh, pick me, says the bunny so shy. Over here, chirps a bird in the sky. Look at me, up and wags its tail. Who will I choose? I just can't fail. Choose me, let's be a team. Together we'll chase every dream. A cute little friend, we're happy and free. Choose me, it's meant to be. The kitten purrs and bats its paw. The duckling waddles, I'm in awe. The lamb says bye.